Drove for about halfway, Chopper, and I realized I forgot our grill and propane. It's a little bit colder today. Got snow flurries. I think we're lost, buddy. A little tricky walking in snow boots on slippery trail. I guess there's more stairs. Don't pull me over the edge, right? Hey Chop, you ready to go winter camping? Just you and me, buddy. First guy's trip winter camping. And go all the way to Starved Rock. Yeah, all right. We got a long ways to go, buddy. We're here at Walmart. We drove for about halfway, Chopper, and then I realized I forgot our grill and propane. And have no other way to cook. So, had to stop at Walmart and get a new grill. Finally made it, huh, Chop? It took us, what, like 2 hours to get here? You ready to go hiking? Ready to go hiking in the snow? We're at Starved Rock Lodge, and me and Chop's ready. Just gotta put on my winter boots. We're gonna go do some hiking. Right, Chop? Ready, Chop? Chop, you gonna go hiking? Let's go. Winter hiking. We're at Starved Rock Lodge. Yeah, we're at Starved Rock Lodge. You like this place? Winter camping. What are you doing, Chop? Where are we going? Where are we at? Is that Starved Rock? You like this place? How do you like it? Like the snow? Hmm? What do you think? You wanna come back? Yeah. Made it to our campsite, huh, buddy? Come on. Let's figure out what we're gonna do for dinner first, alright? Let's get our veggies. Let me see what we got in here. Let's see what we got in the fridge. Yeah, here we go. That's what we need. Got bean sprouts, carrots, cilantro. And for the protein, I'm gonna use tofu to cook it. We got the tofu cooking here. The water is boiling, and hopefully this works out. Ready, Chop? Are you hungry? What do you think, Chop? Does it look alright? Making the noodles. So you want eggs in your pad thai? Yeah. Alright, there it is. Gotta get some lime to top it off. And I also have some crushed peanuts brought from home and crushed red peppers to top it. Tell me make dinner, Chop? Yeah. I got my pad thai, and here's Chopper's pad thai. Are you ready for dinner, buddy? Oh yeah. Alright. There's our dinner. Homemade pad thai. You hungry? Let's eat, buddy. We got the game on too. This should be good. Watching the game. Having pad thai. It's a good night, right, buddy? Yeah. Chop, you fell asleep before the movie's over. We just started the movie, buddy. Is Venom too scary for you?
We saved him.
Let's go, buddy. Here's our campground. Not too many people here. There's about 5 or 6 car campers, 10 campers here. Ooh, you found a stick, buddy? Oh, I guess we're stopping here. Stopping here for a cold stick. It's a little bit colder today. Got snow flurries, but still not too bad. Can't complain. It's pretty peaceful here in the winter. Right, Chops? You're gonna give yourself a walk. Come on. You're gonna walk yourself. Grab your leash. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Grab your leash. Let's go. Walk yourself. You gotta stop. You know your mom's gonna get mad if you do this with her. Hmm? Wanna go back to our van? You didn't poop yet, buddy. Chop. I got a snowball. You ready? Ready? I got a snowball, right? He lost a snowball. He lost a snowball, buddy. Where did he go? Huh? Here, let's get news. Ready? Ready? Chop, where are we going? Starved Rock. Ooh, there's the visitor center. Hey, buddy. Can try and make it up there. That's a hike. All right, I think we're lost, buddy. Think we're lost? Which way you gonna go, Chop? Which way you gonna go? Left or right? Let's go to the French Canyon. All right, buddy. Wait for me. Is this it, buddy? Is this the French Canyon? Don't pull me down. Let's go up. Maybe it gets better the higher we get up. A little tricky walking in snow boots on slippery trail. Yeah. All right, buddy. Don't pull me over the edge, right? Oh, is this where it's at? Is this the French Canyon? Let's go take a look. Let's go up the stairs. Come on, you going? Come on, let's go up. Let's go. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh. Oh. Nice job. More stairs. Let's go. I guess there's more stairs. What you think, chap? We just did like a 2-mile hike. Just did like a 2-mile hike at Starved Rock. Ooh, I'm exhausted. It's pretty hot out. Right, chap? Not too bad, huh, buddy? Ooh. I'm all sweaty. It's time for lunch now. Gotta figure out where we want to go. Maybe we just eat in the van. Right, chap?